Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to create highlights on Instagram. The first thing you want to do is go on your Instagram profile page, as you can see right here. Then once on your profile page, you are going to simply tap on new right where you see the plus below edit profile, and it is going to automatically open your stories archive. From here, you can tap on the story that you would like to use as a highlight. For example, this one right here. Then you'll tap on next in the top right hand corner. And from here, you can add the highlight name. And you can also edit the cover by tapping on edit cover. And you can either choose a photo from your gallery by tapping on the photo icon right there, or you can drag the photo down that you are currently using, and you could tap on done. Then you'll tap on add in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.